Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. These are bike mirrors that connect up into your handlebars. I'm going to show you on my bike. This is not going to be on my bike. I'm going to put these onto my son's bike, and he has like a mountain bike with the ones on the sides. I have a road bike, so mine's kind of a different one, and I have these curled handlebars. I don't even think it's going to fit on mine, but I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about here. So the idea, look what it comes with. So it comes with a really nice size mirror, and then it's got these little these inserts here, and so this will go inside of your handlebar. I'll show you kind of how it works. So it's going to go inside the handlebar, and then as you tighten the one here, it will separate out these pieces. You see the way it's kind of getting larger and larger, and so that'll fill up the cavity of the handlebar. So we'll start off with it, out, and then it would screw in to go in. So let's see how we got this here now. I'll give you guys a look at it. If we set it up, boy, turn it this way. There, so now it's very, it would slide in. So you'll slide it into the end of the handlebar like that. And then as you tighten it up, it expands, and then you'll be able to have a mirror on it. So you can have your mirror, to look back. So you can aim it out, however you want for your different areas to see it. So that's kind of how it's going to work. And it comes with one for each side, and you have a nice good mirror to be able to see what's going on behind you. It'll fit really easy into one of those ones with the side connections. But that is the concept of these, and this mirror is really, that's so nice. You can see, you can probably see the camera there. It's got a very clear picture onto the plastic mirror. It looks like it is like one-to-one. It's not going to do zoom or anything like that. It's just a good mirror to see what's going on behind you. So if you're going in traffic or anything like that, you'll be able to see what's back there. So totally good to have. Thumbs up.